All right, so remember, when we go to log in, we find the CODE, we click it open, find the grade that we're in, find the teacher that we're doing. I'm going to use Mr. Mitchell as an example. When you get into Mr. Mitchell or your class, you're going to find your name and you're going to put in your 2 secret words. Remember, they got to be spelled absolutely perfectly and with only 1 space. Then we sign in. When we get to our lesson today, we're going to be doing debugging in the maze, which should be the second lesson here. Don't worry if you didn't finish all the lessons, all the puzzles in the first lesson, number 3. We're going to skip everyone to number 4, debugging. There are 10 puzzles. The first one actually starts us off with a video. You can watch the video on your own, and when you're done, push the continue button here. Now, this is our problem. We've got Scrat, who has to get to the acorn, and we've already been given some code to work with. To use this code, we're going to have to figure out where the bug is at. Where's the problem? So the first thing that I think I'm going to do is I'm going to run the problem or the program to see what it does. So I'm going to push run, even though I know there's a problem. 1, 2. Oh, he didn't go far enough. Just by running the program, I can figure out that what I need is another move forward block. So I'm going to drag that one out there. Move forward. Now I can reset and I'll try it again. Run. Forward, forward, and there we go. That one did it. Perfect. I'm going to continue to the next one and take a look here. Now, sometimes I might use this button, this button right here called step. This button will go step by step through my code and it kind of can show me where the error or the bug came from. So let's see. I'm going to push step. It highlights what step that was forward, so that's good. Step. Oh, look. Right there, Scrat turns too early. So I am going to disconnect right there. What should have Scrat have done? I think he should have gone forward one more time. So I'm going to add that one. Reconnect by grabbing the top block. Remember, this is a lot like a bucket. If you carry a bucket, you grab it from the handle at the top. Now, I need to reset everything. I can't push step anymore. I got to reset, and then I'm going to run it again. So here he goes, forward, forward, turn right, forward, forward, and he gets it. So now I'm ready for the next one. Let's take a look here. Let's see if I can use that step block again to see if I can figure out where the problem is. So I'm going to say step. He goes there. Step. Yep. Look at that. He went too far. Turns out I got some blocks I don't need. So I'm going to disconnect the blocks I don't need. I don't need these. And then I'm going to reconnect the blocks that I think I do need. Let me reset and let me try that again. Forward, left, forward. Got it. Perfect. Let's take a look at number 5 here. So in 5, one of the things I might have to do is break the problem into parts. It's a long problem. It says up here that I'm using 6 out of 6 blocks. So maybe if I take the first 2 like this and the first 2 like this. So I'm going to run this part of code first to see if it's right. I'll push run, forward, right. Nope, that's not right. Let's use a left block here instead. So I'm going to use left. Let me see if that works. Forward and left. Oh, so far so good. So now I'm going to try the next piece of code. Forward, left, forward, left. Let's see what happens. Forward, left, forward, and oh, nope. That turned the wrong way. Let me use the other one. Forward, turn right. Then I'll add my last piece, and that should do it. Breaking the problem into parts and running it a little bit at a time is a great way to figure out where your bug may have been. So you're going to continue working your way through them. Sometimes you might have to do the last strategy, which is to start over from the beginning. Here I see that they gave me all the forward blocks and then all the turn blocks. So I think what I need to do is I'm going to drag these to the side because I think I'll use them, but I'll see when I need to use them. The first thing I do is I'm going to go forward 2 times. So I'm going to use 2 forward blocks from the stack that they gave me. remember, gray blocks have to be used. You don't want to throw them away. It's like that's part of the answer. Now I'm going to turn myself to the right, and I'm going to run it to see if that's correct. I like to run things after turns just to see, did I do the right turn or not? That one looks good. It looks like Scrat's going to have to go forward 2 more times, so I'm going to add that one in there, forward 2 more times, and then I'll add another turn right. Let's see what happens here. Forward 2 times, turn right. Forward 2 times, turn right. Oop, that's not the right way. It's a good thing I checked. I think what I need to do is turn the other way. And since I have to use gray blocks, what I'm going to do is click where it says right, and I can change it to left. Left. Now I'll add my other blocks in, and I think I should be good to go. Forward, forward, turn right. Forward, forward, turn left. Forward, forward, grab that acorn. Perfect. You're going to continue through these the rest of those puzzles. If you get a puzzle that says, this is a challenge, you're going to say, I'm ready. Here's a challenge puzzle right here. I'm ready for it. Break the problem into parts, or run the problem and see where the bug is at, or do it step by step, or start from the beginning again. Somewhere there's a problem in all of these levels, and it's your job to fix it. Do the best that you can, and I bet you can be successful.